let's open these headsets together. And these are literally headsets. These are earphones that don't go in your ear. How does that even make sense, right? These are earphones that don't go in your ear. So you're going to see what I mean in just a second. First of all, the shape is super dope. I think it's just new. It's cute. It's trendy. It's modern. I just think it's like a really cool shape. They are waterproof. They go around your ear. But this is what I mean. See that little part right there? It doesn't go inside your ear like all the other ones do. For me, I don't know about you, but for me, that part is so irritating. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. So I have been dealing with it because that's just the only ones that I've ever come across. But now I have these ones. So I have to say these are my new favorites. And you definitely want to make sure to get them on my showcase before they sell out. And I don't know, if you have these already, let me know what you think in the comments. Also, too, if anyone's interested in this ring and this bracelet, you can also click my showcase for it as well. So there you go. Super nice. Ooh, I'm so excited. I definitely broke out a lot during the pandemic. And so I've been looking for things to kind of heal my skin. The masks really just did a number on my skin. So there you go. And I believe this, you know, you obviously plug this in, and then there's different tubes. So this one, from what I was looking at, this one goes in your hair. So I have to really read the directions and, you know, definitely do it correctly. But this one goes in your hair, or your scalp. This one, so everything's looking good so far. Everything showed up. Nothing's been damaged. This one is like a spot treatment. So I'll make sure to clean these as well. But this one's for the spot treatment on your face. And then, so that's number 2. Looks like it comes with 4 different pieces here. And then this one, don't want to break it. Okay, this one, let's see here. It's really, really tight in there, which I do like, because that means it's really packaged with care, because it is glass. So let's see, it's really in there. Hold on. Okay, there we go. So this one is, I've used this one at when I was getting a facial. My facialist actually told me to get this one specifically, so I'm actually really excited that it comes with the whole set. So, and then it comes with another one here. 3 reasons why you have to get this outfit. So number 1, the price for the quality is unmatched. I got this same outfit in a different color on Amazon, and it was triple the price. Number 2, it's just going to make you feel more confident when you're walking around the gym. It has like a butt lifting aspect to it with the rouging in the butt. So definitely make sure to get that. And number 3, it's so cute because it's a set, right? So in the set, it also has the thumbs for you to put your thumbs through. Definitely get this before it sells out. This is my genuine first time seeing this dress. Okay, so as you can see, the package is completely sealed. I have not opened it and repatched it, you know, for editing purposes. This is a completely edit-free video. Okay, so this is my first reaction, my first sight of this dress and this package. So this is what it comes in. Cute. The packaging's decent. I'm here for it. So here we go on seeing what this dress looks like. Okay, so black dress. Who doesn't love a black dress? And I got this because I who doesn't want to look thin? It just feels good to look thin in dresses, and black definitely helps out with that. So as you can see, it's a long dress, similar to the one I posted before that was blue, but there's a little bit of a difference with this one. So stay tuned for a second. So this is my first impression of the dress. And what I was thinking this moment, like, great material. I love, you'll see in a second, but there's slits. See where it is on the shoulders? So it just looks super flattering, like the whole décolleté, the neck area. I just love stuff like that when it's super, like, there's just something kind of different about the top of, like, the design of either a dress or a blouse or a shirt. So this is the inside of the dress. So there's like a little shaper, a waist shaper, kind of like a slip. The old school days, it's called a slip, but it's really, really tight. And I can tell when I try this on that it's gonna snatch me in the right areas. Especially a lot of times when women wear these kind of dresses, you can see everything. Like if there's cellulite, you see everything. If they're bloated, you see everything. And this, it looks like this dress is going to hide all of that. So I am super excited about this buy. I really, yeah, I'm here for it. So that's the material. Of course, the material is a little bit different. Like the shaper material is different than the actual dress material. The dress material is like this, like nice polyester. And I do bring it closer, I believe, to the camera so you can see there's actually like, kind of like the way that the material is, it's not just like completely plain material. There is some texture to it. So I believe I do bring it up to the camera a little bit closer. I should have had the camera a little bit like in the middle of the table, so it wasn't so far back. But so yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm super excited. I did get it in a small, so I am going to be trying this on for you. Oh yeah, see there, it's closer, so you can't really tell on camera, but there's a little bit of texture on this dress. Definitely check it out. Secret to a chiseled jawline. Ever wake up, look in the mirror, and have a self-esteem crash? I used to struggle with a bloated face, even though I have a healthy lifestyle and work out regularly. I tried all kind of remedies like using ice, massages, supplements, and it helped, but it didn't solve the root of the problem. I was consuming way too much coffee, which was hard on my kidneys. It made my face store more water, which made me look like a puffy penguin. No thanks, I want my face lean. That's why I switched to mushroom matcha. It has half the caffeine as regular coffee, with countless health benefits that comes from 6 medicinal mushrooms and the highest grain matcha. I was shocked how fast my face bloating went down, and weirdly enough, my skin started glowing too. Finally, a drink that takes care of my health and well-being. I said goodbye to puffy face, and it's time you do too. Try RYZE with a 30-day satisfaction guarantee now and see the difference.